Well, I think the City deal is very important to business. We in the Institute of Directors have long been supporters and advocates of what the City deal has to offer. And I think a massive £1.2 billion investment is a huge opportunity to really be a game changer for local economy and to really change the face of South Wales and throughout the regions in which it operates. I think it could address investment opportunities. I think it could bring more businesses into the region. I think it could look at the supply chain opportunities. Obviously, we have to have a good transport infrastructure to maximise those opportunities. But I think it's a win-win situation. And the great thing about it is the collaboration between the 10 local authorities. That's been key and really important, I feel, to its success thus far. And now what we need to do is to build on that collaboration, working together with business to get the maximum opportunity of linking with businesses throughout the area and outside the area coming in as well, so that we can really build on what is, in essence, a huge and game-changing opportunity for the area. Let's look forward 20 years from now. What I'd like it to look like is a prosperous, thriving region where businesses have maximise their potential. I would like to see more businesses located here. I would like to see lots more jobs, a better way of living, a cultural aspect, a society where it's more vibrant, there's lots more going on, there's lots more businesses working with each other, the supply chains are better satisfied, that we are doing very well, that the economy is prospering, and that there's ultimately many benefits, and in a transport infrastructure that gets those people moving throughout the area, get them to jobs, moving people and businesses getting on with getting on.